Innovation isn't just about speed. It's about a clean sheet revolution. Meet the Artura. The McLaren Carbon lightweight architecture. Born to be electrified, built to be light. A twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6. Short, wide, and engineered for a low center of gravity. Small as a brake disc, but packing 95 horsepower of instant torque. Power, perfectly balanced. The lithium-ion heart of our hybrid revolution. Managing heat with surgical precision. Keeping the fire and the electricity in harmony. Where code meets carbon. The Artura is the most connected McLaren ever. Innovation through simplicity. Reversing is now handled entirely by electricity.
Predictive grip. Sensing the road before the tires even touch it.
Superformed aluminum. Curved by heat, shaped by the wind. Heat management as an art form. Letting the V6 breathe through fire. Ergonomics redefined. Seats that move like a second skin. Electrifying color for an electrifying drive. This is Flux Green. Reducing unsprung mass. Sharpening every turn. Information at your fingertips. Total control of the hybrid heart. Intelligent tires. Real-time data from the road to the cockpit. Sculpted by airflow. Not a single line is wasted. Silent. Stealthy. This is the future of the supercar. Destination, the demanding twists of the Ascari Circuit. The ultimate test, speed, agility, and stamina. Instant transformation. From city cruiser to track weapon.
V6 Awakening, the symphony of the high-performance hybrid.
Instant torque, no lag, just pure, relentless thrust.
0 to 100 in 3.0 seconds flat.
Telepathic steering, feel every grain of the track.
The sound of progress. A high-pitched racing V6 scream.
200. Effortless. Weight is the enemy of speed, and we conquered it.
Silence is the new fast. Minimal drag, maximum efficiency.
Hold on, the MCLA chassis remains perfectly composed.
Blink and it's gone. The Artura redefined. Cutting through the night with hybrid intensity. Seamless transition. Electricity and petrol as one. Precision stopping. Carbon ceramic mastery. Energy reborn. Every braking zone fuels the next launch.
330 kilometers per hour. The peak of Artura.
The legend is tested. The future is proven. Silence returns. The perfect end to a perfect run. Quantifiable excellence. Every lap, every bite, perfect.
McLaren Artura. The new era has arrived.
Ethernet-based wiring, cutting weight, boosting speed.
Heat goes up. Performance goes forward.
Engineered for a lifetime of drama.
The command center. Pure, tactile, and unfiltered.
Clarity in every detail. Brightness for the bold.
Cool under pressure. Power that never fades. Testing the limits before the first mile.
Stealth in the city. The hybrid advantage. Adjustable thrill. Master the slide with a swipe. Balance is everything. Freedom is Artura. Visible performance. Sucking the car to the earth.
The first point of contact with the air.
Zero emissions when you want it. Zero compromise always. Key to a new sensation.
Artura. It's in the name. It's in the design.
Real brake feel. No hybrid numbness here. Reliability at the limit. Built to be driven. The masterpiece is contained. Ready for delivery. Chasing the clouds. Reaching the peak of performance. The mechanical heartbeat of the drive. Eyes on the prize. Always looking forward.
Practicality meets extreme performance.
Immaculate presentation. The McLaren standard.
The signature of the high-performance hybrid.
Ready for takeoff. In 3, 2, 1.
Explosive power. Controlled fury.
Instant boost. Total exhilaration.
Harmony with nature. Performance with a conscience.
Eyes on the road. Focus on the thrill.
Seamless integration into your life.
The soundtrack of your journey. Inside and out. Caring for the craft. Respecting the machine.
You've seen it, now feel it.
Oxygen for the fire. Air for the soul.
Beauty in every environment. The Artura shines. Consistency in excellence. One by one, perfect.
safety at the speed of light.
This is not just a car. This is the art of McLaren. Artura. High performance hybrid.